If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in EA FC 25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or their social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your console or through the EA app on PC, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and enjoy your game experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.